The Toyota 4Runner features a large and practical center console. The Vehicle OCD center console organizer will organize your ride. The install is simple, and you won't need any tools and barely any time. First, we'll remove the factory divider from the front of the console. Just lift it straight up. Next, assemble the 3 pieces in the kit by sliding them together. The dividers are an exact fit to the center console walls, preventing any movement once installed. Lower the assembled organizer into the console. Push the organizer down to contact the bottom of the console. Make sure to position the short dividers inside the vertical ribs in the console as shown. That was easy, but we're not quite done. Sold separately, you can add our center console tray. Now you can grab those everyday things without digging all the way to the bottom. The tray needs to be in the front position against the coin holder for the lid to close properly. These are a great upgrade for your 4Runner, and something you'll use every day.